Hello and welcome to another Geek Jabber video. My name is Tim and we're back again with the 486 under DOS. And this is the first in a series of videos on the BASIC programming language. So anyone who was around in the 80s and possibly early 90s would know that most machines came with some dialect of the BASIC programming language, and this is what a lot of people cut their teeth on when they started programming before going on to other languages. So we've got a very simple program here that is just going to be built on over future episodes. And so I'll just give you the basic anatomy of what we've got. So down the left-hand side, you will notice 10, 20, 30, and 40. So the earlier versions of BASIC all used line numbers. And so that was how it basically worked out what order to run the program in. So that was just a standard thing that the earlier versions of BASIC did. The rest is sort of fairly simple input and output. We are using GW Basic here, which does have some interesting syntax. So if you were to do this on another machine, you might need to change this up slightly, but I'll go over what we've got. So the first line, 10, is CLS, which is a fairly standard way of clearing the screen. Line 20 asks me for my name and puts it into a variable called $. So a variable is a piece of memory that holds some information that we're going to be working on. The $sign is kind of important here because to BASIC, that means that NA variable is a string of characters rather than a number. The next line is input, pick a number between 1 and 10, and puts it into a variable called number, very creatively named there. And line 40 is your name is NA $, and you picked number. So for the observant among you, this program will clear the screen and ask me for my name, ask me to pick a number, and then it will tell me what I chose. So very trivial stuff that we're going to build on, but let's run this program and see if it works. So it's cleared the screen and asked me what my name is. Pick a number between 1 and 10. Let's say 5. Your name is Tim and you picked 5. So that kind of does what it says on the tin. So that's sort of your basic anatomy for printing stuff on the screen, inputting stuff, storing it in memory, and then displaying it afterwards. Well, anyway, I might wrap this video up here. As I said, we'll be building on this in future videos. So we'll be doing a little bit more stuff with it to make it a bit more complex. So I'll be doing some other programming concepts in it. But this is just a basic overview of the beginnings of BASIC. But I will see you in the next video. So as always, if you want us to like, dislike, subscribe, you know where these things are. If you want to support the channel or join our Discord, links are in the description, and I'll see you in the next video.